You are one of our original sponsors for the first year, and you took a stand the first year, and I have to tell you, yours was the best stand in the show.
Steve was with me last time in a very cold field over in Holmfirth, and this year we're going to get great weather like this, I'm sure.
We didn't know what to expect overall. We put a big Toyota stand on, and in what we feel that it was the best stand in the whole Yorkshire Motorsport.
I think we won. Did you win an award for the best stand as well?
Yeah, we did win an award for the best stand. We got singled out.
Really pleased to be here again this year. We feel that being part of the show is our opportunity to get out in the community and demonstrate to all the people in Yorkshire just how hard Toyota are working towards the Beyond Zero concept.
Huddersfield, Bradford and Silsden all coming in on it this year, and just hearing some of the things you mentioned today about the show, it just sounds like it's going to be so much bigger and better this year anyway.
Feel free, come on down, see us at the show, and make sure that you visit the Toyota stand. It's going to be the best there. See us on the stand.
See us on the stand, yeah. Thank you very much, thank you.